Okay, so here I'm going to show you how to mass delete cases on Salesforce. From the home page, you want to navigate to the Setup tab, click the gear icon, and open up the new tab. In the quick find box, search for mass delete and then records. That'll be underneath data. That will bring up all the different things that you can delete en masse. The fifth one down is mass delete cases. So click on that, and then when it loads, you'll see just how you can search for the different cases that you actually want to delete. So for this, I'm going to search by status. So if I can find status there, and I'll just say equals to on hold, and then we'll click search. That will bring up all of the different ones that fit that criteria. You can then set it to permanently delete, which I'm going to do, and then select the actual cases that you want deleting and just click delete. And it's as simple as that. You can delete them as much as you like.